Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best grinder cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any coffee lover's arsenal, ensuring that every brew is as fresh and flavorful as the first grind. This specialized cleaning solution is designed to tackle the stubborn coffee oils and residue that build up inside your grinder, which can impart bitter, stale flavors into your freshly ground beans, compromising the quality of your daily cup. By regularly using a dedicated grinder cleaner, you not only preserve the pristine taste of your coffee but also extend the lifespan of your grinder, keeping its burrs sharp and its mechanisms running smoothly for years to come. Number 5. HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner and Air Duster. Introducing a powerful handheld cleaning tool designed for modern living. It tackles dust, crumbs, and debris with impressive suction, keeping your spaces immaculate. This device offers dual functionality, allowing you to vacuum up dust or blow it away with ease. It's perfect for cleaning delicate electronics and tight spaces. Keep your tech setups and coffee corners pristine. It effectively removes dust, coffee grounds, and small debris from keyboards, PCs, and more. Choose between Boost mode for deep cleaning or Eco mode for extended everyday use. It adapts to your cleaning needs, providing powerful suction or longer runtime. This compact cleaning gadget makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who loves tech, coffee, or organized desk setups. It's a useful tool they'll actually use. Ensure optimal performance by regularly cleaning the filter and recharging the unit. This simple maintenance guarantees consistent suction and runtime when you need it. What we like. If you're tired of dust and crumbs cluttering your desk or PC setup, this is the tool for you. Its powerful suction and dual blow vacuum function make quick work of debris. If you value a clean workspace and appreciate multifunctional gadgets, this is a practical choice for keeping your tech and coffee station pristine. What people say. It works great for cleaning coffee grinders. This cleaner is effective at removing coffee oils and residue. Number 4. Renuv Coffee Maker Cleaner and Descaler Tablets. Tired of dull coffee taste? Our powerful tablets are designed to effectively clean and decale your coffee maker, ensuring every cup is as fresh as the first. Whether you own a Keurig, Ninja, Breville, or any other popular brand, these tablets are compatible. Enjoy a superior clean for all your favorite coffee machines. Simply drop a tablet into your machine and run a cleaning cycle. It's that easy to remove buildup and restore optimal performance. Each pack contains 12 uses, providing a convenient and cost-effective solution for regular maintenance. Keep your coffee tasting great for longer. Don't let mineral buildup ruin your coffee experience. Our Descaler tablets help restore the original flavor and ensure your machine runs efficiently. Invest in the longevity of your coffee maker. This cleaner and descaler is the perfect solution for maintaining peak performance and taste. What we like. For those who love their coffee but hate the taste of old mineral deposits, these tablets are a lifesaver. They effectively decale your coffee maker, ensuring every cup tastes fresh and pure. If you own a Keurig, Nespresso, or any other popular coffee machine and want to maintain optimal performance and flavor, this is an essential purchase. What people say. It works great on my grinder. This cleaner is very effective at removing coffee oils and residue. Easy to use and doesn't leave any aftertaste. Number 3. MHW 3 Bomber Air Blower AB5820 OS. Introducing the MHW 3 Bomber Air Blower, your ultimate solution for dust-free spaces. Its advanced dust-proof technology ensures a pristine clean every time. Crafted from skin-friendly silicone, this blower offers a comfortable touch and is resistant to dirt. Cleaning it is as simple as wiping it down. Featuring a tail air intake, air filter, and a stainless steel nozzle with a soft cover, it's designed for comprehensive cleaning. This ensures it reaches every nook and cranny. Beyond coffee grinders, this versatile tool is perfect for cleaning camera lenses, keyboards, and watches. It's your go-to gadget for all your dusting needs. With a patented appearance and the MHW 3 Bomber logo, this product guarantees quality. Trust in our commitment to delivering excellent barista tools and accessories. We prioritize your satisfaction with every purchase. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to keep your coffee grinder, camera, or keyboard free from dust, consider this air blower. Its soft nozzle and dust-proof design ensure gentle yet thorough cleaning. If you appreciate well-designed, easy-to-clean tools for your delicate equipment, this is a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. What people say. This grinder cleaner is highly effective at removing coffee oils and residue, ensuring a cleaner taste in every brew. The brush design allows for easy access to all parts of the grinder, including hard-to-reach areas, making cleaning efficient. It works well on various grinder types, from blade grinders to burr grinders, maintaining optimal performance. Number 2. Urnex Grindz Grinder Cleaning Tablets. Coffee residue and oils can build up in your grinder, affecting taste. Our cleaning tablets are designed to tackle this buildup effectively. Made with all natural, food-safe, and gluten-free ingredients, you can trust them to clean your grinder. They absorb and loosen coffee grounds without harsh chemicals. Cleaning your grinder has never been easier. These tablets effectively clean both the burrs and casing without the need for disassembly. Regular use ensures proper hygiene and maintains consistent grinder performance. This helps extend the life of your valuable equipment. Switching between different coffee beans. Use these tablets to prevent flavor transfer, ensuring a pure taste every time, whether you're brewing regular, decaf, or flavored coffee. These tablets are specifically designed for standalone coffee grinders. Please note they are not suitable for super automatic espresso machines. What we like. For coffee enthusiasts who are serious about grinder maintenance, these tablets are a must-have. They effectively remove coffee oils and residue without requiring disassembly, ensuring your grinder performs optimally. If you want to maintain the pure taste of your coffee beans and extend the life of your grinder, especially for standalone units, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This grinder cleaner is very effective at removing coffee oils and residue. The brush included with the cleaner is perfect for reaching all the nooks and crannies of the grinder. It leaves no aftertaste and makes my grinder look like new. Number 1. Urnex Grindz Grinder Cleaning Tablets. Ensure your coffee grinder is always performing at its best. These cleaning tablets are designed to remove residual coffee oils and odors effectively. Cleaning your grinder has never been easier. Simply follow the instructions and let these tablets do the hard work for you. Each packet contains a single-use portion, making it convenient and mess-free. You get the perfect amount for each cleaning session. Maintain the professional quality of your coffee. These tablets are formulated to clean thoroughly without leaving any residue or affecting the taste of your coffee. This pack includes 3 individual servings, providing you with multiple cleaning opportunities. Keep your grinder in top condition for longer. What we like. If you travel frequently or simply prefer to use fresh cleaning solution each time, these single-use packets are perfect. They offer the same all-natural, food-safe cleaning power as the larger container, conveniently portioned for one use. If you value convenience and want to ensure your grinder is always clean, even on the go, these packets are an excellent choice. What people say. It works great and cleans my grinder thoroughly. This cleaner is very effective at removing coffee oils and residue. The grinder cleaner is easy to use and leaves no aftertaste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.